Hello and welcome to this video on WPC doors. If you're in the market for a new entryway, you might have heard of WPC or Wood Plastic Composite doors. WPC doors offer a perfect balance of style and durability, making them a great choice for homes and commercial buildings alike. In this video, we'll be exploring the benefits of WPC doors and why they are becoming a popular choice for homeowners. Top 10 benefits of WPC doors. 1. Durability. WPC doors are made from a combination of wood fibers and plastic, making them highly resistant to moisture, termites, and other elements that can damage traditional wooden doors. 2. Low maintenance. WPC doors don't require painting or staining, and they can be easily cleaned with soap and water. 3. Energy efficiency. WPC doors are designed to reduce heat transfer, which can help lower your energy bills and keep your home more comfortable. 4. Stylish. WPC doors come in a variety of styles and colors, so you can find the perfect one to match your home's aesthetic. 5. Environmentally friendly. WPC doors are made from recycled materials, making them a more sustainable option than traditional wooden doors. 6. Versatility. WPC doors can be made in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, so you can find the perfect one to match your specific needs and design preferences. 7. Cost-effective. WPC doors are typically more affordable than traditional wooden doors, making them a great option for those on a budget. 8. Improved security. WPC doors are stronger and more durable than traditional wooden doors, making them more secure and resistant to break-ins. 9. Weather resistant. WPC doors are resistant to moisture, warping, and other weather-related issues, making them a great choice for areas with extreme temperatures or weather conditions. 10. Eco-friendly. By using recycled materials in the manufacturing process, WPC doors have a lower impact on the environment than traditional wooden doors. In conclusion, WPC doors are a great choice for anyone looking for a strong, stylish, and low-maintenance entryway. With all of the benefits they offer, it's easy to see why they're becoming a popular option for homeowners. WPC doors are a versatile, cost-effective, and eco-friendly option that provides many benefits over traditional wooden doors. Whether you're looking for a door that is durable, stylish, or energy efficient, WPC doors are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions about WPC doors.